Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. So my name is Juben. So I take pictures of people I meet and put them on my social media. Can I get a picture by any chance?
Sure, why not?
Thank you. Yeah, you can stand. Sorry?
Just anywhere?
You can stand here.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So, oh, you got a PUG.
Yes.
I am Wonder Note.
What is it?
I am Wonder Note.
I don't have data right now, but I'll write it down. I'm gonna type it. Oh, hey girl. Don't forget, like. Oh, thank you. What do you do
Cheers.
for the account?
So I just, I'll show you my account.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's my account.
Really cool. Portraits?
Yeah, I do portraits. Are you a photographer as well?
Yeah, it's more of a hobby, but I am.
Oh.
I'm in school, so.
Are you visiting London?
I am.
Where are you
yeah.
from?
I'm from the States.
Ah.
St. Louis. Kind
Oh,
of in the center.
St. Louis. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Julia.
Julia.
Nice meeting you, Julia. And you have a nice time.
Thank you.
Cheers.